Okay, on today occasion I will help my father repair an electric motorbike. Currently, we are repairing a short-circuit electric motorbike tire. Now we will hit this cable so that it can release the cable. Okay guys, we will have this tin to repair this cheap motorbike. Okay, currently I'm looking for missing electric motorbike spare part. In the end, we have finished our task of repairing the electric motorbike. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you again.